Push the button, push the button. Papa? Who was that? Who was that?
You think it's going to rain?
Look, Colin, open the ginormous one now. Hi.
Hi.
What's this button do? The Papa. Open the ginormous one, Papa. Okay.
Open it.
Open the ginormous.
Okay, open your other present.
Open your other present?
Okay. What about
Okay.
other present, Colin? Open your big present.
Uh-oh. Busy signal. How'd that happen?
Huh. Quiet. That might be you, Grandma. Is it?
No, I think it came with the phone.
Phone? Open.
Okay, open your big one. You want Grandma to hold that? Grandma will hold that.
Uh-oh. Hi. Who was it? Papa. Tobin, open your ginormous one.
Okay, ready?
Look at Papa.
Want to go out to play? Yeah.
You want to go out to play? Do you want Cash to help you open your big present?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want Cash to help you open that?
I can.
What? She's just sitting and waiting for it.
I know.
Hi.
Papa?